Guys, here are the two 60-ton Titan presses. Presses all ready to go. I'll take a walk around first. Here's the Seco press control. The HMI is over here. The run buttons are over here. Right now we got the ram adjust turned on. Ram up, ram down, and the ram adjust off. Here's your main screen on the Seco board. Walking around to the side. Here's the control box. The presses are wired for 480. We put the three-phase transformer down below the control box. This is the Seco rack system. This is that card we were waiting for. So this is the die protection card, and that goes back to the remote sensor terminal for your die protection inputs. You've got a die block, interlock die block on the side. Back here, this is lubrication for the counterbalances. It's got a low level switch in it. This is 100 weight oil, just solely to lubricate the counterbalances. Everything here is covered up. Back here, this is the hydraulic overload pump, and this is the Lube USA grease pump. Each press comes with a second cartridge. We have the cartridges here. Basically, when it runs out of grease, you just pop out the accordion cartridge, put the new one in, and it's ready to go. The cartridge on an 8-hour shift should last you close to 6 months. Both presses are set up the same way. Over here we have a lockout valve, so it drains the air system, and then you can also lock it out. The main power comes in down here. You can see where the cord is, and there's some terminals down there to bring your main power. So I'm going to run the machine. Your stroke select is over here. You have your inch, single, and continuous. We're in the inch mode. This also tells you the position of the ram, as well as up here, 159 degrees. With a single stroke. Single stroke, you got to hold the buttons to the bottom of the stroke. Once you're at the bottom, you can let go and the ram will come to the top. And if you're ever going to run continuous, get your reset, preset, continuous. There's also an ejector, pneumatic ejector. If I turn it on, if you're going to do any type of lubrication or blowing some parts off, blowing the slugs out, you can just hook it up to that, and you can program it through the Seco control. Presses are also variable speed. So right now we're around 72 strokes per minute. $80, $86, $90. So depending on what you want to run at, 60, 70 strokes per minute. You can just bring it right in. This press is set up the exact same way. You got your inch, single stroke, and continuous. And any other questions, please let me know. Thanks a lot, guys.